Hello everyone, welcome to PB CBSE Maths. Today in this video, we're going to solve exercise 14.1, third main question. In this third main question, we need to find out the mode and mean of this given data. So here it is given the expenditure of 200 families like this. We are asked to find out the mode and mean of this given data. So let's first find out the mode of this given data. So in this given class intervals, the highest number of frequency is of this 1500 to 2000. So this will going to be our model class. So let's first write formula. Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 times of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into that class size. So L, that means lower limit of the model class. The model class is 1500 to 2000 because highest number of frequency falls in this class interval. So the value of L going to be 1500. Now let's find out the value of F1, that is frequency of the model class, which is 40. Then F0, which is the frequency preceding this model class, which is 24. Then F2, which is frequency next to model class, which is 33. At last, let's write the value of H, that is class size. Class size can be found by subtracting the lower limit in upper limit of any of these class intervals. So which is going to be 500. Now let's substitute all these values in this formula. Then we have L, that is 1500, plus F1 value is 40 minus F0 value is 24 divided by 2 into 40 minus F0, that is 24, minus F2, that is 33, into H value is 500. Now we will simplify this. So we got 1500 plus 40 minus 24, which gives us 16, divided by 42 we get 80, minus 33 minus 24, which gives us minus 57 into this 500. So we got 1500 plus 16 by 80 minus 57, that is 23 into this 500. Now we will further simplify it, which gives us 16 5s are 80, so which is 8000 divided by that 23, which means 1500 plus here 23 ones are 23, 23 threes are 69. We got here 11 remains, that becomes 110. 23 fours are, we got 92, so 18 remains, that becomes 180. Then we will write 23 sevens are thereafter 0.83. So we got here 347.83. At last we can write 1500 plus 347.83, that is 1847.83. That is the mode value of this given data. Now let's find the mean of this given data. For that, we have this class interval, we have this frequency. Let's find out the mean of this given data using assumed mean method. In that assumed mean method, we need class mark, thereafter undefined interval, then product of this frequency and in this undefined interval. So let's first find out the class mark. Class mark is sum of these upper limit and lower limit, then divided by 2. So this 1000 plus 1500, that is 2500, divided by 2, that is 1250. Here 1500 plus 2000 gives us 3500. Half of that is 1750. In the same way, 2000 plus 2400, 500, which gives us 2250. Here we are going to get 2750. Here it is 3250. Here it is 3750. Then 4250. At last we will write 4750. Now we have to take any one of the values as a, that is assumed mean. So let's take the value of a as this 3250. So the value will going to be 3250. Then h, that is class size, which is the difference between upper limit and lower limit, which is at here is 500. So class size is 500. We took assumed mean a as 3250. Let's find out this undefined interval. So at first we can write that undefined interval as this 1250 minus that a value is 3250 divided by that class width 500. So here 1250 minus 3250 gives us 2000 divided by this 500, sorry, minus 2000 divided by 500 gives us 5 ones are 5 fours are, which is minus 4. In the same way, let's find out here. So we get here 1750 minus 3250 divided by 500, which means here we get minus 1500 by 500, which gives us minus 3. So here we got minus 3. Here we will going to have minus 2. Here we will going to have minus 1. Here 0. In the same way, here we are going to get 1, 2 and 3. Now let's find out the product of this frequency and in this undefined interval. So 24 into minus 4 gives us minus 96. 40 into minus 3 gives us minus 120. 33 into minus 2 gives us minus 66. Then 28 into minus 1 gives us minus 28. 30 into 0, 0. 22 ones are, we get 22. 16 twos are, we get 32. At last 7 threes are, we have 21. So let's find out summation of Fi Ui, which is equals to minus 96 minus 120, that is minus 216 minus 216 minus 66 gives us minus 282 minus 282, this 8 minus 290 plus 20 gives us minus 310 minus 310. So this is plus 75. So 210 minus 310 plus 75 gives us minus 235. This is the value of summation of FIUI, and the value of summation of F is equals to 200. Let's find out now that bar x value, bar x is equals a plus summation of FIUI divided by summation of F into H. So a value is 3250 plus summation of FIUI minus 235 divided by summation of f is 200 into that h value is 500. Two zeros cancel. Then we will write this 3250 plus into minus. You are going to have minus 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 17, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 1125 divided by 2. Now let's cancel 1 by this 1175 by this 2. Then we will going to get 587.50. So 3250 minus 587.50, which gives us 2662.5. That is the value of mean of this given data. So the mean monthly expenditure is 2662.50 rupees. That is the solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.